Hello, this is Brett with Motorsport Dynamics International. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2001 Ford F-250 Super Duty 7.3 liter diesel 4x4 Lariat, 157,000 original miles. This truck is gorgeous. Got some really nice wheels and tires on this thing. Got Pro Comp lift kit suspension. Spray in bed liner. Fifth wheel hookup. Towing package on the back. Got some nice headlights on this thing. Show you what the interior looks like. Very nice. Very clean. $157,000. Got a nice Pioneer double din. 4x4 on the dash, ice cold AC, got the compass and range up top, front bench, power seats, split rear window. Nice. These are 12.5-inch tires by 20-inch wheels, 35-inch. Guys, we have this truck available locally and online for sale. It's also available to wholesale dealers. If you're interested, please pick up the phone and call me directly, 954-258-2700. We do end our sales and auctions early for buyers. We have shipping and delivery to your doorstep. If you're interested, please let me know. I can give you a quote in over a few minutes. We've got a very simple DocuSign process when you're ready to proceed with the purchase of one of our trucks. Give me a call. I'll get some information from you and I'll send over our paperwork for you to sign on your computer or your cell phone. Let's go ahead and start this thing up real quick. And there you have it, 954-258-2700. Best way to get a hold of me is to pick up the phone and call me directly. If you can't get me on the first try, please leave a voicemail or shoot me a text message and I'll get back to you right away. Thank you for the opportunity. Look forward to speaking with you soon.